Hey everyone, welcome back to Mukbang Madness. We have some fun mukbang cringe moments to break down today. Thank you so much for the support. As always, remember to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I hope you have some snacks nearby. This is about to get interesting. First up we have Freddy with a Burger King bash. My man loves to eat, but the chewing made me cringe so hard. Also, he was talking and spitting with food in his mouth. Take a look at this. Cringe.
What's up, my brothers? Your boy, I'm back with me, my brothers. Today we went to Burger King, Poppy. Yeah, and we got the melts, my brothers. You know, the new melts, they brought it back. BK all day, Poppy, yeah. Yeah, my brothers. You like my hat? You know, it's the king, my brothers. I'm the king, Poppy. It's got all onions on it. A lot of onions, very cheesy, a lot of cheese in there. Yeah. Wow. They put a lot of mushrooms. Well, I like is the price. $4.99 for this is very good price. For the size of it, wow, Poppy, that's good. I think I like this one better. Your boy Freddy Foodie King. Signing out. Take care, my brothers.
This is C and she has a massive bowl of spicy noodles today. The mukbang contained so much cringe. The cameraman filming her kept breathing hard, that was uncomfortable, and the eating was quite peculiar.
What's up, my loved ones? How are you? Y'all, today I'm coming at y'all with a spicy noodle. It's not a challenge, so if it's too spicy, I'm going with a cup of noodle. You know, I don't like food that's too spicy, and you know. Woo! Y'all, don't forget, let me do it now. Before I lose my whole voice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. That's a good company. Oh, my mouth is still hard. Okay. Whew. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
Introducing Natalie. She's eating some Mexican cuisine today. The food looks great, but the overreaction was surely cringe. She got really angry because the wooden utensils gave her a splinter. So much to unpack here.
Friends, I hope you are well. It's been a long time, I feel, since I shot a mukbang. It looks so good. So excited. What is that, sour cream? Oh, it's like reheated sour cream, got all like cloddy. But I'm sure it's really good. Oh my god, what the heck is that? Don't tell me. Oh. I'm gonna fucking freak out. This is why wood absolutely disgusts me. Just because it's shellac doesn't mean you're not wood, and doesn't mean you don't disgust me. Get out of my sight. Not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay for things to be made out of wood, okay? Okay. Love it here.
This is Alicia joined by her husband Marcel. They have some soup today. Everything was fine until she began commenting on his breath. You could tell he was not happy about it.
Oh, you could go ahead and just go in
See,
because
the thing about it is that, man, Olive Garden ain't got nothing on babies. Nothing on babies.
that's so
Just saying.
sweet.
And you know, I gotta have my hot sauce, which is the Cholula hot sauce. Man,
What's it taste like?
like heaven in my mouth.
Your breath smells like dookie. Why? Dude, your tongue's gonna have rigor mortis from the death in your mouth. Why does it smell like that? Oh my god.
Oh no, I just brushed my teeth too, so I guess that makes it really bad, huh?
It smells like straight up poop, like poop. Someone opened their mouth and just pooped in your mouth. Like it was clay poop and you smeared it around in your cheeks. There's no way you could have brushed. It smells really bad.
This is Alicia joined by her husband Marcel. They have some soup today. Everything was fine until she began commenting on his breath. You could tell he was not happy about it.
Missing someone